Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can play a game on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And for your information guys, that I didn't know this game before, this hidden game. I didn't know that we can play this game on Instagram. So today I'm going to show you how we can play this hidden game. Okay, you can go to your Instagram direct messages and then you're going to choose a player for this game. For example, I'm going to ask this account to play a game with me. So I'm going to click on this account and then I'm going to type in emoji, any emoji. I'm going to try this one like this, and then we're going to click on this emoji. Okay, and we'll be able to play a game with our friend. Okay, this is a simple game but fun. You can try guys if you are free. Okay, and then if you want to play a game, just tap on play a game. Play again. Okay, like this. And as you can see, I'm the winner right now. Oops. Okay, this is my current score. And I'm going to close it. And then let's try other emoji. I'm going to try this one. Okay, just choose the emoji that you want and you will be able to play a game with emoji. Okay, that's so fun guys, you need to try. Okay, and I'm going to ask another friend. Wait, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I'm going to type in emoji like this and I'm going to tap on that and we'll be able to play a game like this. Oop, it's game over. And you can click on this option as well to challenge your friend. Okay, and we can play together. Ask your friend to join the game so both of you can play together. Okay guys, and that's all the way to play a game on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!